Hello again from Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. My favourite football manager said in a recent television interview this.
We haven't played Premier League since 4 weeks.
Listen to it one more time.
We haven't played Premier League since 4 weeks.
Grammatically, it wasn't quite correct. There was one error. Thomas should have said, we haven't played Premier League for 4 weeks. When you're talking about a period of time before now, you should use for, not since.
We haven't played Premier League since 4 weeks.
His sentence should have been, we haven't played Premier League for 4 weeks. When you're talking about a point in time in the past, before now, for example, 4 weeks ago, January the 5th, 1999, you can use since. We haven't played Premier League since 1999. We haven't had a cup of tea since 6 o'clock this morning. A point in time, use since. A period of time, use for. So perhaps it's a translation thing from German into English, because I have a friend in Austria, an actress, who in a recent English interview did the same thing. She used since instead of for. So there we are. English grammar, since and for, easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now.